Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Sentra air filter. Start by parking on level ground and turning the engine off. Open the hood and secure it, then locate the air box near the front of the engine bay. Remove the clips or screws holding the cover, lift the cover, and slide out the old filter. Compare the new filter orientation, insert the replacement, reseal the cover, and test by starting the engine. In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Sentra air filter. Begin by gathering necessary tools like a screwdriver and a clean rag, plus the correct replacement filter. Park safely and ensure the engine is cool before touching any parts. Open the hood, locate the air box, and remove fasteners. Work deliberately to avoid dropping debris into the intake, then install the new filter in the same orientation as the old one. In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Sentra air filter. Quick recommendation: pick up the Kindle Paperwhite to read manuals or car guides while you wait between steps. It's lightweight and easy to hold. If this guide helped, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, then get back to the video. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Sentra air filter. With the cover removed, slide the old filter out slowly to avoid spilling dust. Check for any debris inside the box and wipe it clean with a rag. Place the new filter in the same direction as the old one, ensuring a snug fit against the seal. Refasten clips or screws, close the hood, and take a quick drive to confirm normal engine response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.